Welcome back to Bamfordrose YouTube channel and another question of the week. This week's question is one that typically new owners ask, and that's where should I get my car serviced? The two choices are the independent world or the franchise dealer world. And in the Aston Martin world, there are very few independent garages to choose from, and there's about 20 franchise dealers spread across the country. I've seen either side of this for many years, and like any other brand, Porsche it will be a good example. The independent network really does give much better personalised care to the car rather than a more commercially driven fast in, fast out approach that a franchise dealer will take. If you look in your service book, you'll see that each service is given a book time, 3 hours, 3.5 hours. At an independent, we can't get service done in anything less than 6 hours. So this just tells you how much care at which garage is being applied to the car. The service here is going to be a very comprehensive test drive. We're all ex-prototype development engineers, and once we get in a car and test drive it, absolutely anything that isn't quite right we're going to pick up on. It's going to have a very thorough laptop diagnostic check, looking at misfire, looking at any fault code that's wrong with the car, and then the car goes on the ramp and it has the normal service consumables changed and the inspection report. And the inspection report is going to give an indication to stuff that needs changing now or can be put on the back burner for change at a future time. Under trays are removed, everything's cleaned off, everything's copper slipped and lubricated when it's put back together. It really is a very thorough bit of TLC for the car. And at any of the independents in the UK, they're going to take that approach to servicing. It's what independents do, whereas what franchise networks do is more speed driven, fast in, fast out. It's all looking, instead of the car, it's looking at their bottom line, and the care that they provide to the car just isn't there. One of the positives a dealer network service will give you is a dealer stamp in the book, which people think is important come resale time. But if you've got a dedicated brand specialist independent stamp in the book, then somebody is going to find it hard to devalue that stamp come resale time. And if they do, they're just looking for any lever they possibly can to try and drive the price of the car down when they come to buy it from you. Especially a car that is outside of 3-year maker warranty period. The best care for the car is undoubtedly in the independent world.